Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP League Support. In yesterday's session, we discussed about how the workflow works and we created one sample order. Then we went to that My Inbox app. There, for one order, we approved that. We released that order. For another case, we rejected that order. The last case is that rework. Right. So after doing all these configurations, that's how it works. So today onwards, in upcoming sessions as well, we discuss about what is actually workflows, how it works, and what customization needs to be taken care. Fine. So imagine there is one scenario: multiple orders getting placed in a day, but if the net value of any of the order crosses 1 lakh euros or 1 lakh dollars, then that order should be verified by the higher level people. Say, let's example, the sales representative will place an order, right? Then he will save the order. Once he save the order, immediately one request will be sent to that approver to his My Inbox Fury app. So he will verify that is it really a valid scenario? Is anything wrong with the pricing in that order? Means he will go through all that order, and if he is okay, then he will approve it. Then only the further documents like delivery, billing will take place, right? And in case of any critical customers, we want to have double sure, no wrong information shared in the order level. Means that time also we can have approval. So like this, every company has their own set of workflow approvals, right? That's why we need this approval. In case of ECC, we are using that workflow builder that is very complex and it's not easy to implement it. With a lot of manual efforts required, a lot of code changes needs to be done. But coming to in S4 Hana, the flexible workflows, it's very easy. With the app of Fury, you can implement these workflows. Initially, these workflows was available only for the purchase orders only in S4 HANA, but later it was extended to create memo request, debit memo request, and now currently I'm using S4 HANA 2020 version. So currently now it's available for create memo request, debit memo request, sales orders, right? Quotations. We have so many documents are available now, and it started from 1809 release only. In 1809 release only, these workflows introduced for the first time. Okay, I prepared one document just for your reference. Please let me know if you need this. I can share that with you once all the session has been completed. As said, you see here, these workflows are active for different sales document types like quotation, contract, orders, free of charge, that is order without charge, returns. So in case of returns, it's nothing but advanced return management. We have different apps available to set up these workflows. So, but in these sessions, we're discussing about the normal order workflows only, not the custom returns. We can discuss about the custom returns in upcoming sessions. Right. So these many documents will be available to enable the workflows. Okay. So in case of workflows, two persons will be involved. The first person who is creating the sales order. If he is a user or a customer sales representative or end user, anyone. The person who creates the order is the requester here, and the person who receives that request to approve, he is the approver. So two parties involved here, the requester and the approver. So workflow can be triggered in sales order creation time and sales order change time based on the code implemented in the BAdI business application. Okay, so in upcoming sessions we can discuss detail about this BAdI implementation. And in our yesterday session we discussed, right? I have shown you one field in the header level status tab, that is approval status. So whenever that sales document will go for an approval, then that order will have an extra field added in the status tab. Approval reason, that might be a not relevant, not relevant means blank, irrelevant, approved. So these many options we have in that one. So based on that approval, we can see an update there. And moreover, in VBAK table level also, we have relevant field has been added there. We can use that for our understanding later. So basically this BAdI, so what this BAdI will do, this BAdI will set an approval request reason. That's the main motive of this BAdI. If there is no condition satisfied in the BAdI, means no request reason will be set by the BAdI. In that case, the order or any other transactions won't go into approvals. It will stop from there itself. On which based conditions that approval request reason should be set defined in the code level in the BAdI only. And once the sales document goes in approval, until it's get approved by the approver, then the sales document can be not opened at all. If you try to open that in VA02, you can't open that order. You can't open that order. You can open that, and you can create subsequent documents whenever that order has been approved. If it isn't approved, means we can't go ahead at all. That's the kind of a lock we have, approval lock. As I said, the approver receives a task in the My Inbox app. Okay, fine. Then in next session, we discuss about in detail about the options available in the My Inbox app. That's it for this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now.